Hello dear all, welcome to our channel Smart Indian Model School. Smart Indian Model School present Smart Indian EduFun classes. EduFun online classes includes course studies of playgroup to class 12, emotional and communication skills, happiness classes and DIY activities.
Hello and welcome back to your maths class बच्चों. I hope you all must be fine. Today we are starting our chapter 4 and the name of this chapter is Practical Geometry. Today is 10th of September 2020. We are starting it today. Chapter 4 Practical Geometry. So in this chapter बच्चों what we have to do, we have to draw some pictures with the help of pencil, compass, scale, eraser and sharpener. All the geometry procedure you must have. So let's start its exercise 4.1. In this exercise बच्चों we have to construct quadrilaterals. So the very first question that occurs is that what are the quadrilaterals? So any closed figure which has 4 sides is called quadrilateral. The question occurs that what are the quadrilaterals? So answer is a closed figure with 4 sides is called a quadrilateral. Closed figure with 4 sides is called a quadrilateral. For example, 1 side, 2 side, 3 side, 4 side. Let us consider it is A, B, C and it is D. So ABCD is a quadrilateral because it has 4 sides and it is a closed figure also. That is why it is called quadrilateral. It is quadrilateral ABCD. Now the question in this exercise is construct the following quadrilaterals. Now we are starting constructions. So here we have a first question, construct the following quadrilaterals. Number 1 is quadrilateral ABCD. We have to draw a quadrilateral ABCD in which AB is 4.5 cm, BC is 5.5 cm, CD is 4 cm, AD is 6 cm and AC is 7 cm. To draw a quadrilateral ABCD with the help of these measurements, first of all we will draw a rough diagram of quadrilateral ABCD. So let us draw a rough diagram. For example, if we draw a rough diagram of quadrilateral ABCD in a side, it must be in such form like this. For example, this is AB, this is BC, AB, BC, CD and this one is AD. It is a quadrilateral ABCD. We have drawn a rough diagram. After that we will erase it because it is only a rough diagram. So AB will be of 4.5 cm. We have to draw this line 4.5 cm. BC is 5.5, we need to draw it 5.5 cm. Then CD is 4 cm, we will draw it 4 cm in our fair diagram. Then AD is 6 cm. And then AC is a diagonal and the diagonal is 7 cm. So we need to draw a quadrilateral ABCD of these measurement. So let's start drawing quadrilateral ABCD. We will draw it with the help of compass, pencil, scale. As you can see that the base is AB. So we will draw a line AB of 4.5 cm with the help of scale. Let's draw a 4.5 cm line segment. We are drawing here a line segment of 4.5 cm. Here is 0 and here is 4, here is 5. So 4.5 will be between in 4 and 5. 4.5 is here. So from 0 to 4.5 we will draw a line segment and we will write down its name A, B. We have drawn AB of 4.5 centimeters. So we will write down here 4.5 centimeter. After that BC is 5.5 centimeter. Now we will not use scale to draw a line of 5.5 centimeter. We will not do this. First of all, we will measure 5.5 in compass with the help of scale. As you can see that here is 0 and 5.5 is here. It is 5 and it is 6. So 5.5 is in the middle of 5 and 6. From 0 to 5.5 we have measure in compass. This measurement is of 5.5 centimeter. So we will put our compass on point B because we have to draw BC. We don't know where our C will lie. So we will put the compass on point B and then we will mark an arc. We will mark an arc. This is called arc. After that we will not write down C because C must be here, C must be here, C must be here, C must be here. So we will not write down C here. After that we have given CD. We don't know where is C, we don't know where is D. So CD will be drawn after knowing either C or D. But we have no A and B. A point and B points are known. So we can draw such lines which contain point A and point B. For example, BC. BC contain B. That is why we draw an arc of 5.5 centimeter. CD. CD does not contain A and B. Now AD. AD contain point A. And AD is this one line. So we can mark an arc of AD with the help of compass of measurement 6 centimeter. Now we will measure 6 centimeter from compass with the help of scale. We have measured 6 centimeter in compass. Now we will mark an arc from point A like this. But we will not write down D on this arc anywhere because D can be here, D can be here, 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 here. D can be anywhere. But we don't know where D actually lie. So we will leave it as it is. After that, the last point is AC. AC contain again A, means we can draw, we can mark an arc of 7 centimeter from A also. But where is AC? AC is a diagonal. So we will definitely draw an arc from point A of 7 centimeter in this way. Let us measure 7 centimeter in compass with the help of scale. This measurement is of 7 centimeter. So we will put our compass on A and we will intersect this arc. As you can see that this arc of 7 cm of AC is intersecting this one arc here. It means here is our point C. We have find it out point C. So we will definitely join BC and we will definitely join A and C also, because we have find it out C point, but we don't know our D point. It's okay, we have given CD equal to 4 cm. Now the points we know are A, B and C. So CD contains C, means we know the point C. We can mark an arc of 4 cm from the point C. But here is CD. So where is CD line? CD line is in this way. So we will put our compass here and we will draw an arc to this side. First of all, we have to measure 4 cm in our compass with the help of scale. 4 cm from 0 to 4. Here it is 4 cm. From 0 to 4 is 4 cm. We will now put our compass on point C and then we will intersect this one arc. As you can see that it is intersecting this one arc at this point. It means we have find it out now our point D. We will join A to D and D to C also. Bachcho, this is our quadrilateral ABCD. AB is 4.5 cm, BC is 5.5 cm, CD is 4 cm. We marked an arc of 4 cm here. AD is 6 cm because we marked an arc of 6 cm here. AC is 7 cm. So here is our quadrilateral ABCD.
यदि आपको हमारा वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो तो आगे की वीडियो की नोटिफिकेशन प्राप्त करने के लिए कृपया बेल बटन दबाएं और चैनल सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें। प्लीज सब्सक्राइब आवर चैनल ऑफ एडुफन क्लासेस। थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग।